Alright, so now reassembled the other computer, updated the drivers and stuff like that. You know, swapping a hard drive out from one computer to the other is not it's not like a straightforward thing, because you have to still new motherboard, need to upgrade everything on there. So everything was updated, so now that's working perfectly fine. Now I can move on to actually building this computer here. So now we have, this is a PSU that I bought. You know, I would have gotten something higher, but this was like the only one available, essentially. Maybe like 1,000 watt or something. Plus the graphics card, which I should probably put back in here until I'm actually ready to install it. CPU cooler. I didn't want to get liquid cooling because once I put this together, I'm pretty much not going to be messing with it. Probably just vacuum the exterior of the case and call it a day. We got this G.Skill. Let's see here, it's 3600 megahertz. I had the 4100 megahertz in another brand, but I returned it since it didn't even make sense to have that much, pay that much for it. 5900x, which I got at Microcenter. I had to wait in line for like 45 minutes, and luckily everybody's still trying to get the graphics card, so I was actually able to still get this to get that 5900. I was, you know, after that day, if I didn't get it, I was gonna just buy it from a scalper. And you know, the NVMe drives, and the MSI motherboard. So what I have to do first is open this up, open up the power supply, use this flash drive that I put the BIOS update on there, and flash that drive. So that's what I'm going to be working on now. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention was these RGB fans I bought from Amazon, and we'll take a look at those after. And the case is a Corsair 4000D, so we'll work on that. So let's take a look here. So let's take a look at this motherboard.